Hello, my name is Jordan Richardson. This is homework 0 for CSE 546, Introduction to Machine Learning. Um, Question number 1 is, what is your background in Python? My background in Python, I would say, is actually pretty wide, but the depth of what I know in different categories may vary quite a bit. Um, I gained a lot of experience with Python during my first internship. It was a market analytics internship, so I was learning a lot about data science. I then became really proficient with it in the fall of 2023 when I took artificial intelligence. It just challenged me to do the best I could. Uh, Moving forward from then, I've used it on several projects with a, a lot of different specifications and intensity. I'd say it's probably my most familiar language, actually. Question number 2: what is your background in machine learning? My background in machine learning, I would say, is like at a medium level right now. I do have some experience with it from prior classes, but that experience was mainly at the end of the class, and it was kind of just an introduction to machine learning. It was very basic. Uh, in the past month, during my internship, I did start a machine learning project for my company, Steel Technologies, um, and I've been able to gain a ton of experience with machine learning, both coding it by hand as well as using like Azure Machine Learning Studio and developing like pipelines for machine learning. But I'm hoping to learn a lot more from this class. Uh, Specifically, probably just how can tuning the model, um, engineering features outside of ones you may already have, and really just be able to offer a lot more to my company. I am, or question number 3, why am I interested in machine learning? I think machine learning is very interesting. If you think about everything that gets collected every day, or just all of the data in the past 20 years, um, there's almost, I mean, really endless opportunities utilizing this data for a variety of purposes. A lot of companies already use data that they collect, like Facebook, Netflix. A lot of social media does, grocery stores. Um, that way they can save money, sell products, um, just improve their business in general, and attract customers. Number 4, what are the instructor's office hours? According to the syllabus, they are Monday, Wednesday, 1 p.m. to 1:55 p.m., or we can also schedule appointments. Number 5, how do you access the posted lecture slides for this course? So you're going to log into Blackboard. You're going to select the course CSE 546 Intro to Machine Learning. You're going to go to the Content tab, and you're going to select the current week of the semester, and then you will be able to see lectures. That would be the slides, though. What topics, or 6, what topics are scheduled to be covered between September 11th and September 15th? Uh, I was able to find that k-fold, cross-validation, and data normalization and multi-class classification uh, is what was being covered according to the tentative schedule. Number 7, how do you access the posted recorded lecture for this class? So unlike the slides, you're still going to go to Blackboard, go to this course, and go to the Content tab. On the left side, there is a section containing course information. There's a class collaborate section. If you click the 3 dots next to that, you can either join a live session if there is one, or you can select view all recordings and watch any of the 3 that have been posted so far. Question number 8, how often do you need to check the course website on Blackboard? Um, I actually didn't see anything in the syllabus saying that there's a specific interval that we need to be checking the course on Blackboard. I also didn't see or hear anything in the first lecture, um, and I'm working through the others, but I haven't heard anything yet either. So I'm just going to assume that this is how often just do I check Blackboard in general. I check it every day, probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 times a day. Right now, I'm just trying to get ahead and really just plan out the semester. Uh, I'm likely to be starting a full-time software developer job, um, maybe next week or the week after. Um, so time management is going to be really important for me this semester, being my last semester. Question number 9: will there be any quizzes, and what will they be over? And there will be quizzes, and they will cover our readings. And they're actually worth 20% because I'm in the online section. And 10: can the dates of the exams and due dates of the homework posted in the course schedule be changed? Yes, you mentioned it in lecture 1 that these times are subject to change, but you also do have a note at the bottom of the syllabus stating that these dates are tentative, um, and basically just to uh, go by Blackboard and what's available and when it says it's due. Um, this is homework 0. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.